The purpose of this talk really is for us to dissect some of the issues that we find under Indawo Hub. And the biggest issue really is the property sales transaction. So I think that's where I want us to start. So when someone comes to you as a property agent, at Mr. Matebula, I'm selling my house. What do you ask from them as supporting documentation, or how does your process begin?
Obviously, I will need to know the ownership of the property. Do you have the title deed that shows the recorded owner of the property? Or if it's a deceased estate, there is what we call a letter of executorship that is issued through the Master of the High Court that nominate the representative who monitor the execution of the estate.